Explain to you how I got into chiropractic and the health profession and why my mission is to heal the planet. So you probably see me with my Heal the Planet shirts because that is my vision and that is my mission. I grew up in a small town in Connecticut. Do we have any Connecticut East Coast people? Right on. East Coast rocks. Now the West Coast rocks because I'm in California. But I grew up in a small town in Connecticut and I thought I was a healthy kid. We had a garden in our own backyard, so my mom cooked everything from scratch. And I was on the swim team when I was 5 years old, so I started working out 2 hours every day my entire childhood. And I thought I was a healthy kid. The one problem that I did have was sinus and allergy problems, so bad that I was never able to breathe through my nose, so I sounded like I had a cold all the time. You know, so people would be like, oh, are you sick? It's like, no, I just sound like this all the time because that's how I am. So get over it. Has anybody ever had sinus or allergy problems? It's annoying, right? So my mom took me from doctor to doctor to doctor, and their solution came in a bottle. Take these pills, have allergy shots, different things like that. So she was more holistic, didn't believe in the medical route, so I never took any medication. But needless to say, my problem continued to get worse. And then as I got older, I was on the tennis team, the basketball team. Yes, I am 6'1". The coach chased me around the school till I said I would play, so I had no option. So I was the center for my high school team, undefeated. And of course. So I took matters in my own hands because I figured if I could breathe, I could probably run faster. So I went to the drugstore, bought a bottle of nose spray, sniff, I am breathing. I said, why didn't anybody ever tell me about this before? And so I became a nose spray addict at a young age. I mean, because you're only supposed to use it for a week. But I mean, you think I'm going to stop when I can breathe? So I mean, I was using it 6 times a day for 2 years. And I was breathing much better. But I'm thinking I'm 15 years old and am I going to do this for the rest of my life? I'm going to burn a hole through my nose. At the same time, my mom had heard about how chiropractic could help with sinus and allergy problems. And probably like most people in America, I thought she was out of her mind. I'm like, nose, back, my back is fine, I'm an athlete, I don't have any problems. So she dragged me to the chiropractor, and thank God that she did, because what they found out was the second bone in my neck had been out of alignment ever since I was born. Because I was a small baby, I was only 10 pounds, 1 ounce. So a big old head, small opening, pole twist. Thankfully I was born on Mother's Day, so I am one of the favorite child. Okay. So my neck had been out of alignment, and then when I was 2 years old, I fell down and broke my collarbone, which of course they wrapped that and that healed, but nobody ever examined my neck. So when the chiropractor adjusted my neck, I could instantly breathe. And I was like, this is a miracle. This is outstanding. And from that moment on, my sinus and allergy problems were cleared up. And I said, this is what I want to be. Because I knew I was interested in nutrition, health, sports, and that seemed to make sense. Because basically, have hands will travel. You know, chiropractic realigns your body, and then your body heals itself. That's the whole concept of it. So that became my mission and my passion to help as many people as possible achieve optimum health naturally, without drugs, without surgery. So since then, I've been able to help thousands of people, from little newborn babies to all the way up to 92.